Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're doing few examples of discriminant, that is to know the nature of roots of some quadratic equation I have here already. So we have for this, and this. So we just use the discriminant to determine their quadratic equation without solving, sorry, to determine the nature of roots without solving the quadratic equation. So you have b squared plus 4ac is discriminant. So a here is what? A is 1 equals to, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to 3, right? So using the d is now equals to minus 4 square plus 4 open bracket is 1, 6, 3. So you have this to be 16 minus 12. I'll give us 4. So since d is greater than 0 based on our previous video, then the roots are real and distinct. That's two roots are real and distinct. And if to find this out, if you solve this using factorization method, you have something like x 3 x minus 1, right? So when you factorize it, you have x equals to 0, you have x equals to 3, x equals to 1, and the plot of the graph will be something like this, close to this. 0 cut through the 0 line equals to 0. So this place will be 1, this place will be 3. So to solve for this as well, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to 9. Right, so you have d equals to minus 6 square 4 and you have 9. So you have d equals to 36 minus 36. Okay, yeah, this one's d is equals to 0. Since this is equals to 0, we have the roots are equal and real. So if you have to factorize this, you have something like this: x minus 3, x minus 3, 0. So instead you have 3 twice, right? So if you had to plot this on the graph will look something like this, crossing the x. So you have just one touching it, just in one place, the graph touching. So this point will be 3, right? So this is for this. Then to solve this now as well, using the same thing, we have a is equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 5, right? So you have d equals to what? B square 4 1 6 5. So you have d equals to 4 minus, let's say, 20. So d is 16 minus 16 here. So the roots here are imaginary. So you cannot even use factorization method to solve this method because you can easily factorize it. But if you use the quadratic formula, this is x minus b plus root square 4ac over 2a. You can use this to get it, and you have something like this as your answer. If you put all the factors, you have something like this as your answer: minus 2 plus or minus 16 over 2. So since this is not possible, or it was a complex number, so that's why it's imaginary. That's how our roots are imaginary. So you have something like this. So now to plot something like this, you have something like this. Even though you don't have specific the specific position of it on the graph, to be quite sure that it will not be touching the 0 axis, because It's not crossing it. It's not giving us any value. So that's why it's imaginary. Thank you very much. You can try some questions out yourself.